Welcome. If you've ever missed an important message on Discord because you didn't hear a notification, you're not alone. With the latest Discord web update, there's now a way to enable notification sounds for messages in the same channel, making it much easier to stay on top of your conversations. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on same-channel notification sounds on Discord web using your PC. First, open up your browser and head over to the Discord website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that, there's a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up your user settings. Inside the user settings menu, look for the section labeled Notifications in the sidebar. Click on it to access all your notification preferences. Here, you'll find a variety of options to customize how Discord alerts you to new activity. Scroll down until you see the Sounds section. This is where you can manage all the different sounds Discord plays for various events. Now, look for the option called Enable Same-Channel Message Notifications. By default, this might be turned off to reduce noise, but with this new update, you have the flexibility to turn it on whenever you need. Simply click the toggle to enable same-channel message notifications. Once it's switched on, you'll start hearing notification sounds even when new messages arrive in the channel you're currently viewing. This is especially useful for busy servers or group chats where you don't want to miss a beat. And that's it. You've just enabled same-channel notification sounds on Discord web. Now, you'll never miss another message, whether you're chatting with friends, gaming, or collaborating on a project. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of Discord. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.